Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at Samsung Galaxy Buds2 Pro. Now you can get these for around $230 in the United States or $290 in Canada. I got mine for $100 in total. How? I had a $100 voucher for pre-registering and $100 off from Samsung SBC/Perkopolis if your employer has Perkopolis. I also got this as a free gift. It's just a super fast wireless charger. It just charges one device, like your phone and your buds. I think it'll charge the watch as well, but it might slide off because it's not concaved like the dedicated watch charger is. Also, it has a fan built in, so when you're using the super fast wireless charger, your phone will get cooler, when you're wireless charging. So yeah, that's kind of nice. I personally think I'll sell this to make nice money off this. But anyway, we're not really here for this after all. So, in my opinion, the best buds that Samsung made before this was what I have right here. Now this looks like a spider, but yes, this is the Galaxy Buds Plus, which is what I'm currently using myself. And I've waited to upgrade for a long time. Like these came out in 2020, which in tech years is like 200 years versus 2. So yeah, I wanted to get the Buds Plus, I wanted to get the Galaxy Buds Pro, the original one, without the 2. But I heard the fit wasn't very good. I heard some weird nightmare stuff like, oh, you get nickel allergies from the contact. Like this part, because the material, excuse if these are dirty, but yes. Let me just hide that. Like this part gives people allergies on your ears. And I'm starting off a bit negative, I'm sorry. But I heard that these have the same issue. Will you get that issue on yours? It depends on the person's ear. Will I get the issue? I don't know. If I do, I'll return them. But yes. But I mainly upgraded because I heard they have better fit and better ANC and better sound. Maybe? I'll be the judge of that. So anyway, we got the box here where it says Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. The 2 buds, and they're kind of like embossed, like they're raised. It's kind of cool. It says Samsung here. It's a bit hard to see. Oh, there we go. All right, on the side here, nothing. On this side, just something to put it on the shelf. Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and on the bottom, just serial crap, like the serial number and whatnot. So we got here ultimate hi-fi sound of 2-way speakers, and French because I live in Canada. We have 2 languages. It's a weird country. ANC, active noise canceling, comfortable fit. Excuse me. And 5 to 18 hours playtime. I believe it's 5 hours for the earbuds themselves and 18 hours in total with the charging box. Which is kind of downgrade from these because these are rated 11 hours for the buds themselves and 22 hours with the case, which is like absurd for any true wireless earbuds, but yeah. Anyway, without further ado, let's open it. I already broke the seal earlier, so this should be fairly easy. And voila. Oh, do we have anything here? Oh, we do. Okay. Let's see if there's anything in here that's remotely important. No one cares about that. No one cares about that. All right, so we got the buds here and... All right, some technical difficulties here. I totally didn't just drop the buds on camera. Okay, I may be a bit too excited here. So we're gonna open, why is this compartment in here? So we have the charging cable, just USB-C to USB-C. It seems fairly long, so hey, you get a cable out of it. And I believe these are the small and the large tip sizes for the buds themselves. And here's what we actually came here for, the thing I dropped, the Buds 2 Pro in this nice matte finish. And you know what? Let's clean all this junk up. Okay, so now we got everything cleaned up. We have the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro here, which is Samsung. Back we have the USB-C connector, a little charging indicator light, and a whole bunch of crap that no one cares about. And let's open it. Voila, we got the sound by AKG and these weird looking earbuds here, which is why you bought these things. It's for these earbuds. Got a bunch of little sensors and whatnot. The website has all these details. Okay, so now we got this all paired up. Let's see, how easy is it to connect this to a phone? You know, so let's just open it up and see, will it find my phone? Oh, okay, it did. Awesome. All right, let's connect this up. Okay, so this is downloading the app here. It's only 20 megabytes, so it shouldn't take too terribly long, depending on your internet connection. All right, so what do we have here? We have tips on how to put them in your ear. You can test the fit, noise canceling, ambient sound. All right, so we got active noise canceling. Oh, okay. Well, it just kind of feels a bit artificial. Let's turn it off. Okay, that's better. Ambient sound. Okay, that's all right. I think I'll do that so I can actually hear myself. Voice detect. Ideally, when you're talking, it will turn down the ambient sound and lower your media volume so that you can hear stuff around you. And 360 audio, which I really want to test. So ideally, I think you just turn your head around and the sound will change. Touch controls, tap, double tap, triple tap, touch and hold, double tap, touch and hold for calls as well. So that's kind of cool. Earbud settings, equalizer. This is actually pretty cool. They have a frequency response graph for the equalizer now. So you have bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, treble boost. What's weird though is I swear on the older models they had where you could do custom and customize yourself. Why did they remove that? I don't understand. Earbud fit test. You can read notifications aloud, so when you get notifications, it says like, you got a message from whoever. Bixby voice wake up. Okay, so you can do voice assistant with Bixby. No Google Assistant, unfortunately. Use ambient sound during calls. So when you're in a call, it'll just keep ambient sound on. Without a way to disable it, I find it a bit annoying. I tried it before. In-ear detection for calls. When you're in your ears, it detects it, I guess. Oh yeah, when you're in your ears, it plays calls for them. That's pretty cool. Seamless earbud connection, so it connects with other Samsung devices. Like I switch to a Samsung tablet or a Galaxy Book and it will automatically connect to that. This isn't also new, or actually it's one of the few new software features to the Buds 2 Pro is neck stretch reminder. So remind you to stretch your neck every now and then, which is again pretty cool. Labs, same as previous models, you have gaming mode to reduce latency and a double tap earbud edge to turn this volume up or down. I actually love this feature. It's like one of my favorite features. Accessibility, left, right sound balance, noise controls of one earbud. Okay, so mono mode basically. Customized sound. Okay, so is there an equalizer in here? No. Okay, but there. Oh, that's weird. Okay. I don't really know what this stuff is. You know, let's just do the earbud test. Let's see if it fits my ears. Oh wow, okay, I guess I'm lucky then. It says good fit. Yay! Okay, finally. I know this is like 10 minutes long, but let's do a sound test. Alright, so after listening to a few songs, I gotta say, they sound pretty awesome. So, I don't know if there's any Buds Plus owners, but do you guys use the basic mode on these? Because I don't. The basic mode on the Buds Plus, for example, in my opinion, it sounded awful. But the basic mode on these, or not the basic, sorry, the normal mode on these actually sounds pretty good. However, still, dynamic is my absolute favorite. Now, these Buds 2 Pro, they are much louder, they sound much nicer, and they have ANC, they have a nice matte finish. They're pretty comfortable in the ear. All right, let's do a comparison actually. So I have the Buds Plus in one ear, Buds 2 Pro in the other. Let's see which one sounds better to me. Hopefully that I don't get copyrighted for this. Yeah, Buds 2 Pro definitely sound more lightweight. So far though, the one disadvantage I can say about the Buds 2 Pro, okay, so I did the head test, you know, where you shake your head and you test how well they fit in your ears, right? Well, for me, I feel like the Buds Plus still fit in my ears better than the Buds 2 Pro. Like, I was shaking my head. In fact, I'll do it again right now. And I think the left bud, especially, might fall out of my ears a bit easier. So that kind of sucks, but yeah, I don't know. I'll see how I like them. Oh, also I noticed this hinge, it like magnetizes open. Like, it's so satisfying. Like this one just kind of, it's like soft. This one's like, boom, like a satisfying thud. In terms of, let's see, I was actually, okay, I have a case on this, but thickness wise, not bad. Yeah, it's actually not bad thickness wise at all. It's not too much more in terms of, yeah, this way it's not too much more. So I don't know, which one do you think will be more pocketable? This one I quite like because it's like slim in your pocket. It's like a vertical thing. This is like a square. It's a pebble basically. And yes, Samsung seems to really like this because they've been using this for Galaxy Buds Live, Galaxy Buds Pro, Galaxy Buds 2, and now Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Also, yes, these are the successor to the Galaxy Buds Pro. But yes, that's about everything. What do you guys think? Are you getting the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, or are you waiting for Galaxy Buds 3 Pro? Or what's coming next is Galaxy Buds 2 Live. Are you waiting for those? Are you a bean kind of guy? Or, you know, do you like these what weird Wally looking things, you know? See it, Wally? No? Okay. And that is about it. It's pretty cool, yeah. All right.